أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, here we are, Pakistan International School Taif, virtual learning system. So, this is our class 6 social study book, which we are following in this class. Welcome you all, my students of class 6. I am your teacher, Saeed Ahmad Lagari. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, here we are continuing chapter number 16, Early Pakistan, the next part of this lesson. In the first lecture, we have learned the Mohenjo-daro and Indus Valley civilization and the Dravidians. Today we are learning the people of the Indus civilization, and at the end we will complete end of chapter question and their answers, and I will give you a little assignment. So students, we are reading the page. The people of the Indus Valley civilization seem to have been peaceful farmers. They grew barley, wheat, sesame, lentils, and peas. So from this, how the question arises, how do we know this, since the people left no written records of the life at the time? Okay. So from the remaining of their different things from which we can find the answer of this question. It is found from the tiny fragments of cloth have been found, showing that the people knew how to grow cotton and to weave cloth. They had almost no metal except gold and little copper and bronze, and the few metal tools that have been found are not very skillful made. Wood and stone were used for most things. They do not seem to have invented money, and we think that the people were paid by the government in grain and other food. They had a very simple kind of writing, but no one has been able to read it. Look at this one. This is a seal with a mystery writing. So this type of a writing, which till now it is not been understandable, and words usually appeared on the clay seals. Look at this one. This is a clay seal with a mystery writing. So these are few things which had been found from the Mohenjo-daro civilization. So they had almost no metal except gold and little copper and a bronze and few metal tools. They were very skillful, made wood and stone used for most things. They have a simple kind of writings. So now the few things which found from the Mohenjo-daro civilization. In number one, this is a old bull cart. So you can see how much they were civilized about 5,000 years before. This is the seal with mysterious writing. Look at this is the writing on the seal. So, and this is the third picture which shows the girl statue, and this is the jewelry which is used in the Mohenjo-daro or Indus Valley civilization, and this is the ancient Indus ornaments, and these ornaments also found from the civilization of Mohenjo-daro or from the Indus civilization. And these are the tools which are used in the kitchens or in the different places in the Indus civilization or in the Mohenjo-daro. So this is the bull cart, and this is the modern, the villages which are till now living near the Mohenjo-daro. They are still using the same type of bull cart till now. So continues our reading about 2000 BCE. Some disaster seemed to have struck Mohenjo-daro when the houses fell down. Look, they were rebuilt in a much rougher way, as if people did not care anymore. New walls divided rooms so that more families could crowd into each house. The streets were not repaired. The drainage system was blocked up. We do not know why all of this happened. Perhaps there was a climate change, so the destruction of the Indus civilization or the Mohenjo-daro civilization is maybe perhaps it is due to the climate change that made it this damage. So more difficult to grow crops, or perhaps the river changed its course. So the destruction of the Indus civilization, maybe it is due to the river change course. Maybe this is also a one cause of damage of Mohenjo-daro due to the river change its course. Today, the ruins of the 5 kilometers from the river, it can be seen very easily today also. If you will visit the Mohenjo-daro, if you will have a chance in the future to visit the Mohenjo-daro, you can see it very easily. Perhaps all the trees were cut down for burning and buildings, and the soil was washed away. In some of the other cities of the Indus Empire, archaeologists believe that the people just left and buildings collapsed. So these are the few reasons of the damage of Mohenjo-daro civilization. So this is the end of our 16th chapter, and now we are completing question and answers, and here are the some questions which are giving in our exercise. Now we are solving our exercise. So question number 1, read about the Mohenjo-daro. How would you describe the city? The answer is, from the ruins, it is assumed that the Mohenjo-daro was remarkable and sophisticated city. It was well planned and laid out symmetrically, as can be seen from the ruins. Houses were made of mud and bricks. They had toilets and a good drainage system. The city also had a great bath and the remains of a great hall with a pillar suggest that it may have been parliament or government building. So this is the answer of first question. Question number 2, can you suggest other things that might have happened to make the people leave, or had they gone before new invaders swept into the subcontinent? So the answer number, the question for the general discussion based on the possibilities given above and in the text. So this question is not important as the view of writing. So you can follow some Google, you get the answer. And this question is not important as the point of exams point of view. So you can do it or discuss only. Question number 3, write down the similarities between the modern cart and the 4,000 years old one. So in the previous page, we have learned this and I have given you the resemblance of the modern cart. Look at this one. This is the modern cart and this is the 4,000 years before cart. So its answer is given here. Comparison of the ancient and present day bullock cart, wheels virtually identical, curved wooden chassis, two oxen power, pole sticking up from the chassis to support load. These are present in the modern cart, but only the holes remain at the back of the ancient one. Driver in a same position means driver sitting in the same position. So also the question number 4 is not very important. Working in groups, prepare and display presentation on the Indus Valley civilization. So this is the end of our exercise questions. Only you can write the answer of question number 1 and question number 3 as the point of examination. So now I am giving you a little homework assignment. So this is your little homework assignment. Choose the correct answers. So you can easily read the lesson and you can give the answer to these questions. Number 1, the cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were discovered in which year? So question number 2, construction in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa was done using what? So you can give the answer, get the answer. Question number 3, the original inhabitants of the Indus Valley civilization were. So these are the possible answers you can write. The correct answer. And number 4, the Indus Valley people were. So these are the possible answers. So you can write or choose the best answers. You can follow this lesson. You read again and again and get the answers of this and send me on my WhatsApp. So thank you very much to all my students. And this is the end of our lecture and wish you all the best.